This Sunday, May 9th, is Europe Day. It's also a special day for Fianna Fáil because it was Fianna Fáil in government which led Ireland into the European Economic Community, the culmination of 10 long years of negotiations. We're proud of the transformational impact that EU membership has had on Ireland, and we remain absolutely committed to furthering social and economic progress of this island in the European context.
We are a constitutional Republican party, proud of the role that our founders played in securing sovereignty for this country, and understand that to secure sovereignty we need rules-based international organisations like the European Union. Fianna Fáil's republicanism is international in perspective and practice, and we attach ourselves to an idea of national identity that is open, engaged and open to change. But we also recognise that there are threats to democracy and the rule of law. And we believe very strongly that we need to challenge illiberalism and nationalist tendencies wherever they surface.
In recent years we have faced the challenge of Brexit. Indeed, we still face it. Fianna Fáil was instrumental in ensuring that political unity was maintained in our country at a time of real risk. We will work to ensure that the national unity, which we played a fundamental role in constructing on Brexit, will continue in its aftermath. While it may not be preoccupying us right now, as it did before the pandemic, the impact of Brexit will test our resilience, and Fianna Fáil will make sure that we are not found wanting.
In the EU, Fianna Fáil are proud members of ALDE, and our MEPs are part of Renew Europe, the liberal and progressive middle ground in the European Parliament. We're committed to the rule of law, human rights, democracy and transparency. The centre ground has never been as strong in the European Parliament as it is today. A more prosperous and fair Ireland in a more prosperous and fair Europe is our goal. By representing citizens and working on a pan-European basis, Fianna Fáil will help to renew Europe and create a union where economic growth, environmental sustainability, fairness and solidarity go hand in hand.
As Foreign Affairs spokesperson for Fianna Fáil, I believe we need to strengthen the Union and ensure it has a positive impact on citizens' lives, while respecting and working with the fundamental role of the individual member nation states. As we emerge from the pandemic, our party will work for a revitalised Europe, which is stronger and more effective, a Europe which has the assurance to show how now, as much as ever before, it is the only way forward to peace, progress and security for Ireland and the other democracies of Europe.